It's me, Walter. Today I want to talk about just how crazy people go for their pets. And most importantly, stick around to the end because I'll be sharing secrets on how you can take people's pet craze and tap into that with dropshipping. I'm going to give you the details on how to cash in on the pet market and make up to $24K or even $100K. For starters, let's take a look at history for a second. Did you know that the oldest burial of a dog is from somewhere around 14,000 years ago? Think about it. People only do burial rituals for things they care about. That means that people have loved animal companions since before civilization appeared. If we look at ancient Egyptians, they literally worshipped cats. Cat burials in ancient Egypt were often as big and fancy as a pharaoh's burial. Egyptians would often save cats from burning buildings instead of their family members, their own family members. If we want to look at modern day examples of people going all out for their pets, then there's a handful of people in the 20th century who left millions in their will to their pets. For example, Leona Hemsley left a $2 million trust to her dog, which is more than she left to a lot of people in her family. There's also reports that Oprah's written $30 million to her dogs into her will. So listen, what's my point? What am I getting at? My point is that a lot of people go nuts for their pets, and it's not just a modern thing. It's been that way literally since before the start of civilization. There's something about pets that really tug at people's heartstrings. So what does that mean for people like you and me who are interested in e-commerce? It means that pets and pet products are a big money market, and that market isn't going anywhere anytime soon. But you don't need to take my word for it. The numbers show that pet products as an industry brought in over $84 billion in 2024 and are projected to be bringing in over $120 billion by 2030. The thing is though, is that you can't go in all willy-nilly. You got to know the ins and outs of what is selling and pick killer products in order to break in and get your piece of this market. I usually use Flippa when I do my own research on what's selling. It basically helps you take a look at the sales of online stores. There's one store I found that made over $1 million in 5 months just selling dog harnesses. The idea is if you can find good products, then you'll be in a good spot to sell big. A mid-level online pet store can bring in around $24K per month, and a very successful one can start breaking $100K per month. There's a catch though. Pet stores that bring in that kind of money often combine both pet products and high ticket products. That's the real secret here. Good examples of products that I've been seeing that are both high ticket and pet niche are like a modern wall mounted wooden cat tree. That product can bring in around $1.5K per sale. There's a luxury pet sofa for cats with spaces for your cats to tunnel around in. They also bring in almost $1.5K per sale. Other products that double as both high ticket and pet products are stuff like deluxe aluminum dog travel cages and pet hair drying stands and grooming cabinets. Those both bring in about $1,000 per sale. You can also sell industrial vacuum cleaners, which make over $800 because believe you me, as every pet lover knows, our furry friends leave fur all over the place. That's basically been a favorite strategy of mine at the moment, like trying to combine both high ticket and pet products so that I can focus on selling things that are both high margin and high demand. A lot of times when I don't really know what to do, I just check out what Sellvia's got, or I'll even hit up their support team for a free consultation. Recently, I tried out their 1,000 high ticket bestsellers pack, and it's been doing really well for me. I actually got on this train of thought about mixing high ticket drop shipping with drop shipping for pet products because of this pack. It actually had a lot of products that fit that high ticket / pet product double criteria, and the results have been pretty sweet. In fact, all the products I just now listed are in the 1,000 high ticket bestsellers pack. So check that out if you're interested. You can also try exploring what Sellvia has to offer and find your own inspiration. They offer a lot of high ticket packs. For example, they've got a luxe living collection if you're interested in getting into selling furniture, which is a pretty good shout. It's high margin and people have never been more interested in customizing their living spaces than they are now. It's worth digging around their website to find ideas and approaches that work for you. Sellvia is a game changer. Just the fact that it's a collection of professionals who can pick up the slack for you wherever you need it, who give you the ability to juggle more. It's something that's useful for dropshippers of all levels. For beginners, of course, but really for anyone. If you're interested in combining pet and high ticket products, then check out that 1,000 high ticket bestsellers pack. I'll leave links in the description below. I'll also leave a link to the packs I mentioned if you're interested. Anyway, leave comments if you got any questions. I'm always down to connect with people. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Be good to your pets. Don't forget to be good to the people around you, and don't forget to be good to yourself. I'll catch y'all later.